This is the new ZMI zPower Turbo 65 watts USB-C PD wall charger. It has just been launched in December 2019. As we are going through the packaging here, you can see in the front upper right corner it says USB-C to USB-C cable is included. On the back of the packaging, it lists some specifications, box contents, and the tech support info at the bottom. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. The zPower turbocharger itself is wrapped in a plastic protection sleeve and is placed in the compartmentalized cardboard drawers. It has two finishes on the charger which highlight the graphic 65 watts. As you can see, it looks very nice. On the bottom here, you'll see some certification logos. The cable is also included in the box. This black cable is USB-C to USB-C. According to the box, it is a 5-foot cable. There is a user guide. Let's quickly go through it. And then the last item here is the thank you card. So there you go, the new ZMI zPower Turbo 65 watts USB-C PD wall charger. This charger is ideal for charging laptops, tablets, smartphone, and any of your USB-C devices. Speaking of laptops, this new ZMI zPower Turbo 65 watts USB-C PD wall charger can be a perfect replacement for the Apple 61 watts charger if you own a 13-inch MacBook Pro. Let's do a quick comparison here. The Apple 61 watts charger is on the left, and the new ZMI zPower Turbo 65 watts USB-C PD wall charger is on the right. It is an incredibly compact and lightweight wall charger. Can output 65 watts to power USB PD enabled devices from newer laptops to tablets to smartphone. It can charge your 13-inch MacBook Pro to 100% in just 2.1 hours. Thank you for watching. If you want to keep up with our new product announcement and updates, please subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook page.